You are watching Daily Driver. In this episode, we will talk about the 2023 Toyota GR Corolla while driving this lovely Toyota GR Yaris. With the reborn Supra sports car receiving critical praise, Toyota's performance vehicle skunkworks subsidiary, Gazoo Racing, is giving the diminutive Corolla hatchback the tuner treatment to produce the 2023 GR Corolla, and it's a little terror. The GR Corolla draws its turbocharged 1.6-litre engine from a GR-tuned version of Toyota's Yaris subcompact vehicle, which has previously been released in worldwide markets. In the GR Corolla, the 3-cylinder engine is boosted to 300 horsepower and comes solely with a 6-speed manual transmission and all-wheel drive. In recent years, Toyota has been on a campaign to bring excitement to its lineup with sportier options and more fashionable designs, and this rally racer-inspired hot hatchback could aid in that quest. Before the end of 2022, we anticipate seeing the GR Corolla in Toyota stores. The Toyota GR Corolla will be a new addition to the Toyota lineup for 2023. And it will compete against popular sport compacts like the Honda Civic Si, Hyundai Veloster N, and the best award-winning Volkswagen Golf GTI and Jetta GLI, as well as the top tier of hot hatches like the Volkswagen Golf R and the upcoming Honda Civic Type R. The GR Corolla's price hasn't been announced yet, but we estimate the standard core trim to cost around $30,000 with the loaded circuit edition costing around $40,000. We'd stick with the core and add the performance option, which adds limited slip differentials to the front and rear axles. The GR Corolla is powered by a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine from this GR Yaris, a hatchback that the Japanese carmaker sells in places other than the United States. It was tweaked up to create 300 horsepower for the GR Corolla, which is an eye-opening 185.4 horsepower per litre and 43 horsepower higher than the GR Yaris. The single gearbox option is a 6-speed manual, and all versions have Toyota's GR for all-wheel drive technology. The GR system lets the driver select from a variety of power distribution modes, ranging from 60-40 front to rear for everyday driving to 30-70 for drifting. A 50-50 split option is meant to give optimal traction for racing. Even the sporty SE and XSE editions of the Corolla lack racy handling and performance, but the GR suspension and powertrain have been upgraded, making it a true contender in the small sports car segment. Front and rear limited slip differentials are standard on the Circuit Edition trim, while they are optional on the core model. While the current Corolla is both one of the most fuel-efficient and totally somnambulant vehicles in its class, the high-performance GR model is only focused on performance. Despite this, because of its modest 1.6-litre 3-cylinder engine, it should still get respectable gas mileage. We predict an EPA highway rating of roughly 30 miles per gallon, which puts it smack in the middle of the Veloster N with 29 miles per gallon on a highway and the Golf GTI with 29 mpg. Visit the EPA website for additional information on the GR Corolla's fuel efficiency. The interior of GR Corolla is mostly similar to that of the conventional Corolla hatchback, with superb build quality, soft-touch materials, and a lot of equipment, but with racier decor and sport seats. Ambient interior lighting, a 6-way adjustable driver's seat, push-button start, and aluminum pedal covers are all standard features. The Circuit Edition comes standard with automatic temperature control, heated seats, and a heated steering wheel, as well as suede and faux leather upholstery instead of the original model's fabric. A standard 8-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Amazon Alexa and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, will be included on the GR Corolla's infotainment system. On core versions, the technology package adds an 8-speaker JBL music system, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and in-dash navigation. On the Circuit Edition, these features are all standard. Much of Toyota's driver assistance technology is already standard on most of its models, and the GR Corolla is no exception. Adaptive cruise control, pedestrian and cyclist recognition, and automatic high-beam headlights are among the attractive tech features packed together across the portfolio. Visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites for more information on the GR Corolla's crash test results. Key features include the standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control. The GR Corolla will come with a basic warranty package, which will be supplemented with a 2-year complimentary scheduled maintenance plan, much like other Toyotas. The Civic Si doesn't have such a package, but the Veloster N provides more value in the form of extended warranty durations and an additional year of free maintenance. All GR Corollas get a 1-year membership to the National Auto Sport Association, which includes a free high-performance driving course.